Welcome, fearless explorers. We've ventured deep into the E-mini S&P 500 jungle, where every price swing is a lurking predator and the vines of volatility threaten to slow us down. Grab your binoculars and let's hack through the undergrowth to unearth the watering holes, our key levels, and dodge the beasts stalking our profits. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,987, the top of a towering kapok tree. If price swings above, it is moving into the high canopy. Value area low, VAL, 6,975, the edge of a muddy riverbank. Breaching this level means a potential plunge into the crocodile-infested waters. Point of control, POC, 6,977, the central watering hole where most of the jungle's trading wildlife congregated today. Support zone, 6,972 to 6,975, a thicket of dense mangroves where the bulls are camouflaged and ready to strike. Resistance zone, 6,987 to 6,998, a rocky cliff face that requires significant momentum to scale. Single prints, escape paths, lower, 6,972, a narrow game trail. If the market slips through, it might descend quickly to the forest floor. Upper, 6,997 to 6,998, a clearing in the trees that allows for a swift sprint into open territory. Market context. The current landscape is a balancing jungle where the price is swinging between the 6,972 and 6,998 branches. The CVD footprints suggest that the hunters, sellers, are tracking the herd closely, but the buyers are still defending the watering hole. It is a game of patience in the brush, with no clear stampede in either direction yet. 3-day trek through the safari. Day 3, February 8th, POC 6,971, high 6,978, low 6,959. The herd stayed near the lower grasslands. Day 2, February 9th, POC 6,960, high 7,001, low 6,921, a massive migration that spanned from the deep valley to the high peaks. Day 1, February 10th, POC 6,977, high 6,998, low 6,972. Value has settled on the middle plateau. Value has been climbing like a monkey up a vine over the last 3 days. Acceptance above the 6,987 canopy would signal a continuation of the upward trek. Volume analysis. Cumulative. Volume delta. CVD. Breakdown. Session open. CVD, negative 1,157 contracts. The safari day began with some bearish growls in the distance. Intraday peak. Buying, CVD reached 708. A brief moment where the sun broke through and the bulls took charge. Current CVD, negative 1,640. Net negative, 483 from the open, meaning the sellers have reclaimed the shadows in the late afternoon. Intraday low, CVD, negative 3,286, a sudden stampede of sellers that nearly cleared the jungle floor. Interpretation: aggressive sell-side delta is present, but it has not been enough to force a break below the 6,972 support. A rally will require a fresh surge of buying energy to clear the 6,987 canopy. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, near the riverbank at VAL, 6,972 to 6,975. Stop loss, below the game trail at approximately 6,970. 4 ticks below the low, or use average true range, ATR, approximately 6 points below entry. Profit target, initial target at the watering hole, 6,977. Major target at the kapok tree, 6,987. Short trades, entry zone, on a rejection of the high canopy, 6,987 to 6,998, or a breach of the riverbank. Stop loss, above the rocky cliff at approximately 7,000 or ATR above entry. Profit target, POC for the first piece of fruit, then the VAL. Position sizing. Keep your gear light by risking only 1 to 2% of your account per setup. Trail your stops to the last thicket once the first target is hit. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above, VAH. Jungle explorers hack through the high canopy at 6,987. Setup. Enter long above 6,987 with a stop at 6,977. POC. Target 7,000 plus on a momentum surge. Scenario B, rejection at VAH. The market beasts roar and push the price back down from the 6,987 ridge. Setup. Short on the first failure off the VAH. Stop above 6,998. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C, failure at VAL. Price falls through the muddy riverbank at 6,975. Setup. Shorter break below 6,975. Stop above 6,980. Recent swing high. Target the 6,960 valley. Scenario D, value bounce. The herd finds safety at the 6,972 mangroves and begins to graze. Setup. Long at 6,975. Stop at 6,970. Target P, OC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.